Well, actually, that's somewhat funny, but
That's it.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Welcome on board from the cockpit. This is the captain speaking. My name is Jerry Olin, and on behalf of myself, my entire flight crew, First Officer James Hudson, our flight attendants Megan, Janine, and Terry, we're all glad to have you with us today on Air Trans Flight 522, now with service to Milwaukee. Don't know how many cheeseheads we have on board, or Milwaukee people, but might have noticed we have the Brewers airplane today, kind of fitting. From takeoff to touchdown, 1 hour and 52 minutes. The weather should be nice en route. Weather is nice in Milwaukee, albeit a little cool, 54 degrees currently, with partly cloudy skies. James will be flying us over to Milwaukee. I'll talk to you in flight. I'll update the arrival estimate and the most current weather conditions. We expect to have you there at least on schedule, if not a few minutes early. We're glad you joined us. We're going to take good care of you today. Welcome on board. We'll be underway in just a few minutes.